Hello friends, I am Himanshu. I am happy to share my journey of Evision with you all, and I also want to tell you why you should opt out for it. I belong to Kashipur, Uttarakhand, and my district name is Udham Singh Nagar. I pursued my B.Tech in year 2017 with mechanical stream, and after which I joined in mechanical department. Working more than 3 years there, I wanted to switch my job, and for that I was looking for an institute, but I was not able to find any. Then my friend suggested me the name of Evision Technoserve, and like Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting firm, and the mentors here are very well educated, as well as cooperative and friendly of nature. Here I studied about various modules of networking from different teachers, namely Rahul sir, Vibhushi sir, Raju sir, and like several modules included Windows administration, CCNA, networking basics, and Linux administration, and also cybersecurity. In Windows administration, we were taught about Windows 2012 i2 server, and they also told us about admin and user account, along with domain and workgroup environment in the company. Like if there are more than 100 or 200 systems, then there is considered to be as domain environment. And if the systems are nearly 20 to 30, then it will be considered a workgroup environment. And basic Windows tool like Bitdefender, uh, disk defragmentation, disk manager, and also like file transfer protocol and remote desktop protocol for accessing client computer to the service desk. And in CCNA, they taught us about IP address routing and switching. In routing and switching, there are several protocols like RIP protocol, EIGRP protocol, and OSPF protocol, and also BGP protocol. And in the switching part, there we are having VLAN protocol and trunking protocol, and also spanning tree protocol. So these are the part of CCNA. And in the networking, basics of networking, they told us about various type of networking, networks we are having, and various networking devices, various models of networks, and modes of communication. And in Linux administration, they told us about CLI interface of Linux administration. There we have to use like in Windows we use graphical user interface, and in the Linux there are most of the things are done with the help of commands. So it is considered in as CLI interface. And also the benefits of Linux. And in cybersecurity, they told us about tools that are required for hacking, the basic definition of cybersecurity, and various types of attacks that are available in today's scenario, and also about AWS and Azure. And we are having mock interviews in the weekends regularly, and after which our performance is judged by the teachers, and they guide us for improving ourselves for the mock interviews and the upcoming interviews that we have to face. And on the basis of our learning, I learned several things there. I, in my personal day-to-day activities, I handle daily issues with more confidence, and it saves my time to do other things as well. I can work in a team with good efficiency now, and my main goal is to aim for the company growth, and which will result in my growth also. I am confident, and I can prove that if I am giving opportunity. Thank you so much.